I think we should discover our color of the week. Do you remember the song? We're going to find out our color of the week and then we will sing our color song. Are you ready? Let me get it. It's inside my pencil case. Remember the song? Get ready to sing it. Okay, now what is our color of the week? It is. Are you ready to see it? Can you see it? Purple! Purple is the color of my pencil. Okay, now let's sing the song together. Purple is the color of my pencil. Purple is the color of my pencil. Purple is the color of my pencil. It's purple, purple, purple. Yep, our pencil is purple. It's a purple colored pencil. Now, do you know what letter we will be looking at today? Let me put my pencil case back first. Okay, do you know what letter we will look at today? It's the first letter of the alphabet. Ooh, you know it, It's the letter A. A is for ant. Now, let's color our letter A purple. Are you ready to do that? Let's go and color our letter purple together. I hope you have your flashcard. If you don't have it, that's okay. Just watch me as I turn our letter A purple. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go and color our letter A.
Look, there's our letter A. The big letter A and the small letter A. A is for ant. Now let's color our letter A purple. Are you ready? Let's do it. There it is. Our letter A is purple. A is for ant. Hope you enjoyed coloring your letter A. See you next time.
Thank you for watching Storytime Haven. Don't forget to keep smiling and shining.
See you next time.